Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Maria and today you will see how to crochet a very popular pattern. For this one I will use 3mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The foundation chain is ready. Then make a chain for transition part. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 2 stitches. I will repeat pattern 6 times in a row. So it means for the pattern I need 12 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. Pattern consists of 2 rows. This is the preparation row. Once I have done the preparation row, let's crochet the main pattern. For this I'm making chain of 3. I pull the last chain stitch. I will not use the last one. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook and pull up a loop. 1. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. 2. Insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch, pull up a loop. 3. I do not count my working loop. Insert the hook into the next back loop and 5 through the next back loop. I have got 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Let's crochet. I continue working on my pattern. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the thread, pull up a loop. 2. Insert the hook into the loop. 3, 4, and 5. I have got 6 loops on the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through, make a chain. I have got 4 stitches in a row. I continue working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull through, make a chain. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all loops on the hook. I do not make a chain. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same top and insert the hook into the both loops. Make half double crochet. My row is ready. This is the first row of the main pattern. Let's crochet the second row. I continue working on my pattern, make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet into the each back loop. Make single crochet into the each back loop of the next stitch across the row. You should crochet in this way all my stitches except the last stitch. Then I will show you how to crochet the last stitch. For this project, you just need to know how to crochet single crochet stitches and basic skills, chains, and of course the foundation chain. Let's make the last one. I did 3 chains on the beginning of the previous row. As you remember, this is the chain stitch that I'm not using. Insert the hook into the second one. This is the second chain stitch from the bottom. Make single crochet. My row is ready. Let's crochet row 3. It is going to be a row of my unique stitches. Make chain of 3. I pull the last one and turn the work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. There are 6 loops on the hook. Let's repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and make a chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I will not do the chain in the last stitch. You just need to do half double crochet, so you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. So my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. For this project you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. This is very popular pattern. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 2 stitches. You can use it to create handband. How to create handband you can find in the description of this video tutorial, or it could be a part of the brim part of the hat. Also you can use it to create coaster, blanket, or another accessories for home or kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please write comment below this video what you will get with my video tutorials. Bye!